Hey guys, this is Raja back with another video. So in this video I'm gonna unbox Mi A1. This is the best rated budget oriented phone under 15K. So it comes with a lot, a lot. So let's take a look. So here the packaging is quite good, and here on the top it is Android 1 branding, and on the other side it's Mi branding. It is actually Android 1 supported smartphone, and it comes with three different colors: black, pink and gold. On these sides there are nothing so much important, and on the back there are some information is written like dual camera settings, pure Android OS based on Android 1, Snapdragon 625 processor and 5.5-inch screen. So my phone has 64 GB of internal memory and 4 GB of RAM, and it is a black version phone. So let's open the box and see what's inside it. So at the top this is the phone itself, and let me just take it out and keep it aside for later. Let me first check what's inside the box. So in this, at one side it's a type C cable, you can see, and on the other side it is a power brick. So let's check it is fast charging or not. So you can see that it is a 5-volt charging, which is not a fast charging. So let them keep aside. And in this box the screen protector also given. This is a cheap quality screen protector, so I think you just have to buy a good quality of screen protector to protect your phone glass. And just come back to the phone again, and it's a good looking fully metal body. And so you can see there are two 12 megapixel camera, one of which is a normal camera and the other one is a 2x optical zoom camera, and it's also having a dual LED tone flash and a fingerprint sensor. And let's check the physical overview here. So you can see here in this side it's having a SIM tray, which is a hybrid type SIM slot. It means it supports two SIM card or one SIM card and one SD card at a time. So on the upper side you can see it's a noise cancellation grill and infrared. So on this side it is the power switch and the volume rockers, and at the bottom you can see it's a speaker grill here and the type C port and headphone jack. So first you just need to peel off the protector and boot this phone. So finally the phone has been booted up, and you can see it started updating some system software and also some other softwares. So here you can see it's already have get a system update. So let's update the software. So as you can see that here a very limited number of apps is given in this phone. No extra Xiaomi apps is included. All of these are basic Google apps. So yes, the 2x optical zoom is working completely fine, and I just need to use this device for a couple of days to get the complete review of this phone. And here it is, the front facing camera, which is 8 megapixel camera. It's also a good quality of camera. So let's jump to the settings and see how much memory has been given in this phone. So you can see 8.52 GB is already been used by the phone, and out of 64 GB you will get 50 GB. So let's check the Android version of this phone. So out of the box it's having the Nougat 7.1.1 version, and here are some basic Mi apps like Mi Remote, Mi Stores, like this kind of stuff. So that's it guys, thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please do subscribe my channel and don't forget to give a thumbs up. Thank you. Peace.